Today we are in Marigold Road to see one of the most beautiful four double bedroom detached properties I've ever seen. Certainly the best house I've ever seen on this development. We have a driveway, we have a garage, we have an electric charging point, we have utility rooms, we have en suites, we have more parking if you wanted it here to the side in the front garden. You've got an unbelievably landscaped back garden. Internally, it is the most gorgeous thing ever. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you very much for letting me show you around. Normally at this point I'd say if you'd like to come and book a viewing, please do, but I know you want to book a viewing already, so get in contact and I hope to speak to you soon. Thank you very much.